his name is, I think, Mom, what's his name? Congo?
Congo, yeah.
They're letting him pet him.
Oh, he's great.
Yeah. He's a Tarako.
Maybe Ross Toronto.
You're
You
gonna
like that too,
get.
'cause
You're
it's
gonna
shiny?
search the internet.
Shiny. Shiny. I leaned over earlier and it snatched my earring.
It's like,
Here.
no, can't have that.
They like shiny stuff.
Oh yeah, you want to nibble? You want that? You can't have it.
There's a
Okay.
bob white in here that kept trying to bite my toes.
The Nicobarans, they're poached in the wild.
I'm gonna
Hi,
see if they'll let me pick
gorgeous.
them up. Because sometimes
Yeah, hold on. Wait a minute. I want to see his little feathers.
he's so pretty, isn't he?
Because the gizzard is under pressure,
I think his feathers look a bit like too many people have tried to pick him up.
so people poach them and get their...
But he's also missing a tail feather.
That's why I'm not sure why they just let people